Your iPhone tracks you even when it's off. Press and hold the volume up and side buttons. When the power menu appears, look below the slide to power off. If you see iPhone findable after power off, your iPhone can still be located even when it's turned off. This feature uses Apple's Find My Network. If someone steals your iPhone, you can still track it. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Click on Location Services. Tap on Share My Location. Next, select Find My iPhone. You will see Find My Network. Turn off Find My Network. When the confirmation pop-up appears, tap Disable. Now your iPhone will no longer be trackable after shutdown. Temporarily disable tracking before turning off. Press and hold the volume up button and the side button together. When the power menu appears, tap iPhone findable after power off. A new screen will explain how the feature works and why your iPhone remains discoverable after shutdown. Tap on Temporarily Turn Off Finding. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. Now the phone will power off without staying findable. Temporary disable works only for that shutdown session. Once you turn your iPhone back on, Find My Network will automatically reactivate. And that's it.